Coronal plane, Wikipedia audio. A coronal plane is any vertical plane that divides the body into ventral and dorsal sections. It is one of the three main planes of the body used to describe the location of body parts in relation to each other. The coronal plane is an example of a longitudinal plane, because it is perpendicular to the transverse plane. For a human, the mid-coronal plane would transect a standing body into two halves in an imaginary line that cuts through both shoulders. The description of the coronal plane applies to most animals as well as humans, even though humans walk upright and the various planes are usually shown in the vertical orientation. Details. Abduction and adduction are terms for movements of limbs relative to the coronal plane. The sternal plane is a coronal plane which transects the front of the sternum. The term is derived from Latin corona, from ancient Greek kappa omicron rho nu eta. Sectional planes of the brain. Identical twins at a gestational age of 15 weeks, shown in coronal and sagittal plane, respectively. Sagittal section vs coronal section of a mouse brain. Etymology.